Hi guys, this is Vishal here from DrapCode. So in this video, we will understand how to use database for preview and publish mode. So this is a very recent feature which we just released, where instead of getting one database, now you have two databases for each project or each application. So while building web apps on DrapCode, we have received a lot of feedback that the data which people are creating during test environment gets actually pushed to the real users or the live environment. So we have separated both databases. So what now happens is that, let's say you are building an application, you are getting some dummy records, some uploading some junk data, all that remains in the database of the preview environment. Once you publish the app, you will not see the data in the published or in the live environment. So you either, if you want some data, you can copy it there, or maybe if you are working with actual user, you don't need the data. So only the data which your live users will create will remain there. So it is more like a development environment and a production environment. So in development environment, you have a lot of junk data, a lot of testing data, things which you can add, remove, and do all those things. And you have a production environment where you have the real data for your actual customer. So this basically gives you much more freedom that how you want to develop your app and how you want to test it. And it removes the hassle of removing or deleting the junk data. So in this video, we will see how we can use this feature in DrapCode. So here we have a collection called product, and it has three items: product 1, product 2, product 3. So now, as you know, that we have two databases now. One is for the test environment, which is preview, and other is for the published environment, which is for live user. So let's say during development phase, we are adding a lot of data, we are doing some changes, and we want to test something. So this is the environment. Now in the builder, if you want to see what my data looks like, so you can switch environments from here. So preview is the test environment for everyone. Production is the live environment. Alpha, beta you can ignore for now. These are for clients who need much more environment. Like sometimes people need a staging or a sandbox environment. Sometimes people need a pre-prod environment. So these two more environments can be configured. But for now, let's focus on these two. So if I go and check production, so there is no data or no record. So basically all the data exists only during the preview. If I go and open this page, if I go and see this page, so this is my preview page. Here I am seeing a product list of 3 categories. But if I go to my published page, there won't be anything. Okay, so let's go to publish the project. Okay, and let's go to the same page for the live customers. Okay, so I'll click this and copy this URL because that's how the product list page is. And let's paste this, and this is the live environment. Here you can see there are no records. Now let's see if I want to add data. So I can either add it from the builder, or I can even create a category form. We'll just see both of them. Okay, product live 1. Some description, some date, 120. Okay, so now in my live environment or for my live user, there is one product, or for my test environment, there are 3 products. If I go to the live environment, I am seeing one product, and in my test environment, there are 3 products. Now let's say we have a form where we can create more products. Okay, so we have a collection form, so which is product create. So same thing happens in case of collection form. If you create data in preview environment, it will get stored in the preview database. If you create the same data in production environment or the live environment, it will get saved in the live environment. So let's preview this. So let's say I created one more dummy product. Let's say I'm doing my testing and I just want to create some dummy records. Okay, dummy prod 4, let's say something, some date, and let's submit it. So now you see there are 4 products, and this is the preview environment. If I go to the database, go to the product, now I am seeing 4 products. So this is my preview environment, but and this is what I am seeing during the development phase. But if my live customer refreshes their page or go to their data, they will still see the one product, because in the production environment, it is just one. So you can also verify it from here. So it's still one product. So whatever testing you do, whatever data you will add, it will only remain up to the the team which is working on building the product, rather for the live users. Now let's create one product from the live user. Okay, so let me copy the URL. It's product create. So this is my live user. Okay, so let's say the actual user of the application creates a product. Okay, so let's say live product to test some date. Form and UI, everything remains the same. It's just the database is something which remains different for both of them, so that you can do as much testing as you want without impacting the actual customer. So here, these are the products which the live user is seeing, and if you go and refresh this thing, you will be able to see these two products. But for preview, you still have these 4 products. So this basically separates the database of your actual users with your testers, or your QA team, or your development team. Hope you enjoyed this video. We will continue to create much more educational videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.